So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rohit and you are watching English-Angrezi. So guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you, suppose your English is not improving and you have given up, then definitely watch this. So this video, I will tell you I'm improving English. Okay, so let's get started. So guys, suppose your English is not improving and you are putting a lots of effort, but still you are not able to speak fluency like me. I'm not able to fluent, but still I'm trying to fluent. And guys, sometime I have also given up. But one thing is in my mind, yeah, I want to be a good communicator and I want to be a English teacher. Okay, and so that's why, and also I'm hungry to learn. If you hungry to learn, definitely you will never give up. You will never give up. But if you give up, so I think you are not serious to learn English language and other language, whatever you like. But if you really be serious and you hungry to learn, definitely you will able to put efforts and you will have to put efforts a lot. Okay, like me, I'm also putting effort a lot nowadays, and maybe within 1 year, 2 years, I will be able to speak fluency. I'm sure about that. That's why I'm sharing my experience to you, because because few people sent a message me, hey bro, I'm not able to speak fluency and still I'm trying to learn and still I'm trying to a lot of efforts putting, but having said that, I'm not able to learn more. So what should I do? Please share your routine, how you learn. Okay, so that's why I'm making video for improving English. So first, what I do to improve spoken English, speaking English. So first, what I do, I'm setting my routine. So first, when I wake up in the morning, first I started listening like English song, English podcast, and also English related things, related things like 1 and 2 hour. Okay, 1 and 2 hour you have to listen at least in whole day. Okay, so definitely you will able to understand. Okay, so you have to listen first, and second, what I do, second, writing. Okay, after listening, and then I started writing. Means suppose in next day I want to go anywhere. Means whatever you want to go anywhere, and like if you want to go outside, if you want to go college, like that. So you have to write down in your copy, on your copy notebook. Like suppose I'm giving example. Suppose like I have a one pen and this notebook. Yeah, I'm like this. I'm trying to understand to you guys how I'm practicing. Okay, tomorrow I will go to office, because today I will not go to office because now I'm busy. I have a lot of work, so that's why I'm not able to go office. But yeah, definitely tomorrow I will go and I will finish my all work. This was my practice. I practice like that. So if you put a lot of efforts like that, definitely you will able to understand English, everything. Okay, and your memory will be improved to understand grammar, sentences, phrases, everything. So you have to put a lot of efforts. Okay, got it? And next, what I do, speaking front of the mirror. Like suppose I'm standing here and just stand the front of the mirror. Okay, and let's talk to anything, whatever comes in the mind, and start talking with yourself, to yourself. Like suppose I'm giving you example. Okay, so yeah, hello everyone, yeah, welcome back to my channel. So guys, first of all, today I'm going to share with you related our content, because we are going I'm going to start my new channel. So that's why before I start my channel, I'm going to tell you my introduction part. Okay, so you have to like that. Okay guys, you have to like that, practice with mirror, front of the mirror. Got it? Definitely guys, you will able to improve, and you will you will enhance your communication skills and your body language. Because when you stand up front of the mirror, definitely you will see your body language, and your body language like that. If your body language moving here and there, so you have to see your body language. And next time when you comes in the front of the mirror and start talking, so definitely try to stop and just stand in front of the mirror and talk like, yeah, my name is Rohit, yes, I can do anything, yeah, yes brother, you can send me the report and I will send you to do with my brother, like that. Okay, so definitely within few months, like within 6 months, a lot of changes you will see. Okay, you will see definitely. So I daily do like these things. Wake up morning, I will do three things, finish. And if you talk about speaking part, it's important, it's most important. If you really want to enhance communication, and if you really want to be good communicator and English teacher, like that, if you want to speak in English only, so you have to talk to yourself with your friends daily. So my speaking parts in evening, I call my friends and let's talk to in English. So if you have a friend, so you can talk in English with your friends easily. Definitely guys, one day you will, what you want, what you achieve, everything you will get. But you have to focus, you have to put a lot of efforts daily, because I'm also daily putting like that. Already I'm said to you, so you have to do like that, because nowadays I'm also trying to speak fluency, but still I'm not able to fluency with right sentences. Still I'm a lot of grammatical mistakes. You are watching, you can see this. But yeah, coming soon, I will change everything in my communication skills and English. Video only I made, only my purpose to give my routine, how to start practice, how to putting times, how to learn English. That's why I'm making this video. Okay, and thanks for watching my video. And guys, please share video if you like my video, and bye bye, take care.